What's up, guys? Unicycle Willie here, and this is with the Ring Pro 1. You'll need to take off your faceplate. There's a screw at the bottom to press that hole there. Take your faceplate off, and then to the side, there's going to be a button. You want to press and hold that for 30 seconds. My ring had the light illuminated white solid, and it seems that the infrareds were on. My ring was pretty warm. Also, I think it was due to sun overheating it and it shut off and it just never rebooted. So I'll include some photos of what my ring app had. I checked the voltage, it was getting 20 volts, and it just had no internet connection. Wi-Fi was up. The SSID name never changed or password never changed, but it's still having a conflict with the connection. The chime was connected just fine. So yeah, in short, if you're having an issue, this is probably the easiest fix. Is just take your cover off, press and hold the side button for 30 seconds. It's called a hard reset, and hopefully your ring gets back online like mine did. If you have any questions, just post them below. Bye.